Okay, good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, June 28th at KIT Iizuka for English 1C. I apologize for last week. I wasn't able to come because I wasn't feeling very well. I had a little bit of a fever, so I was a little worried that it was corona, but it wasn't. Thank the Lord. But please be careful. The ninth wave is moving around the country. Probably won't be so bad, but still. I think I'm going to be wearing my mask for a little while. Okay, now just going over last week, June 21st. Okay, so the class was canceled, but I gave you the slides that we were supposed to do last week. And this is, I would say it's important. Being able to say, I want to study English because I want to work in America. Being able to say that, well, and so and because is something that I want to make sure that you can do. So we're going to actually do those today. But I looked at your the results of the listening quiz. Okay, 55 people tried it, so that was pretty good. And the reflection, I think most of you actually did it. So thank you very much for making sure that you did your assignments. This week, there won't be so much of a difference, but I have a recommendation. We're going to do this shadow talking, and today you don't have a lot of assignments. You have basically this quiz on paragraph organization, because this class is supposed to show you a lot about organizing paragraphs. And part of that, I gave you a reflection, a YouTube video about organizing paragraphs. So here's my recommendation. Do the reflection first. Do this video first. Watch the video, write your answer, do that first, and then I would suggest you do the paragraph organization quiz. That will probably be the best order for you. Also, if you look at the schedule, okay, so there's today, June 28th, okay, but after that, basically we have July 5th, July 12th, that's class 13 already. Class 14 is July 19th. Then after that, basically the two tests, okay? Now, this Moodle test, okay, this Moodle test here, I think I'm going to move that to class 16 and switch that with the conversation test. I think the conversation test will be better if you can do that as soon as we finish all of the conversation in the class, and that we do the Moodle test at the very end. So I'm going to switch the order. The Moodle test, actually, can I do that right now? No, I can't. This isn't in edit mode. So I'll switch this to edit mode. And I will take that Moodle test. And, oh, I can't do it. Come on. Oh, there it is. Okay. Come on. Come on. Okay, I'll do it later. I'll switch the Moodle test to the 16th and the conversation test to July 26th. Now, the test itself will be basically what you did, the Moodle test will be basically what you did in the midterm exam. And the conversation test will be a little bit different. It will be all of you speaking in a group conversation, speaking with the ideas that I've been trying to give you about speaking quickly, answering quickly, looking at people's eyes, having a strong voice. All of those things are very important in this test. Now, to do that conversation test, I have to put you into groups on the 13th. So just to make this story short, the 13th, okay, July 13th is a very important day. Please make sure you come on July 13th, because I have to make an arrangement for the test, okay? If you're not, sorry, not July 13th, July 12th. That's class 13, July 12th. If you still don't come on the 12th, we still have time on the 19th, but I want you to make sure that you come on the 12th. I'll be explaining the test, and I'll be setting you up with all of the things that we're going to be doing. Okay? As always, if you have any questions, please make sure you come and speak to me. And let's have a good class today, everyone.